Hey guys, welcome back. This is your host Phil from underKG.com, and this is the 6th generation Lenovo ThinkPad X1 Carbon. So now this is Gen 6 with 8th generation Intel Core processor. So let's go ahead, open up the packaging. This is the good old X1 packaging that we've been seeing from the past few generations, and by opening it up, you get to have this fancy elevated box. And by the term elevating, you open up the latches and it elevates your laptop so you can glare your laptop all the glory of it. We're gonna put it right there and go ahead with what's inside the packaging. On the left hand side corner, there is a box containing the quick start guide, the safety and warranty, and some of those leaflets that you might never read. And along with that is a letter from David Hill, Chief Design Officer. But perhaps something that you'll use more often is the one on the right hand side. This is the charger. So at the end of the charger is the USB Type-C connector that you can connect to your laptop that replaces the old ThinkPad Slim Tip connector, and it comes at a capacity of 45 watts. That's all you get inside the packaging, and here's the laptop itself. Inside this little pouch is your new X1 Carbon Gen 6. So the new thing about the X1 Carbon is some of its design elements have been changed. Now the ThinkPad logo comes in black, and there is the cool X1 marking on the right hand side. You can choose between the classic black or rather newer silver color. And the whole thing is really slim and light at 0.62 inches and 2.49 pounds. Enough with the outside, let's get inside. What you see at the first glance is a 14 inches of Full HD or QHD panel, bright 500 nits of display with Dolby Vision technology. You can see that the bezels are pretty slim as well, and it's equipped with latest Core i5 or i7 processor. This particular unit has 16 GB of RAM and 512 GB of SSD, but you can upgrade that all the way towards 1 TB of PCIe Opal-enabled SSD. Now, since it's a ThinkPad, we have to talk about ports. Let's start with the left-hand side. Here's a USB Type-C port that also doubles as a power connector, and this is a docking station port. You can use this port to connect your docking station or have a separate Ethernet adapter. There's a USB Type-A port and a full-size HDMI port. On the right-hand side is the earphone jack and another USB Type-A port, along with the Kensington lock hole so you can lock your laptop down. But we're not done. On the rear is the nano SIM and micro SD card slot. You can just pull that up, and here comes the nano SIM card slot. So if you have an LTE enabled model, you can install your SIM card and you will have a 4G LTE connectivity. That must be enough for most of you, but should you need any more of the ports, here is the docking station. Surprisingly enough, this one is called the ThinkPad Basic Docking Station. I can't even imagine what an advanced docking station looks like. So you can just put it there and place your laptop right there. And here's a little switch. You can push that to lock them down. And look at all sorts of additional ports you get. Ethernet, 4 USB Type-A's, D-sub analog monitor out, and display port along with the charging port. And you will most likely have this dock on your desk. So here is a little keyhole so you can lock it. Lock your laptop onto the place with the dock so no one can just take it out of your dock. But when you want to, you can just unlock it and pull the switch back, and your laptop's free to go. All right, more than enough with the ports. Let's open it back up. And this is the kind of screen you get with 500 nit option with Dolby Vision enabled. And below that is the power key that lights up in white LED, an X1 Carbon logo and Lenovo logo, very faint, right there, are located there. And this is the keyboard, the 6-row keyboard that feels really nice. The pitch is nice, the tactile is really nice, the feedback, everything feels really great with that keyboard. And here's the iconic checkpoint, left, right button, and the scroll key. And below that is the Microsoft Precision touchpad. And just on the right of it is a fingerprint reader. You can just place your finger on it and your laptop shall be unlocked. And one of these very new features is the Think shutter right there. Yes, that's a webcam, and it's a shutter there. I've seen many people putting stickers on their webcam, myself included, but now here's a physical door for you. Other features include that 360 degrees microphone that can hear you from far away. And with all these features included, this can last up to 15 hours. And when you're done with it, just plug it in for 1 hour and you will have 80% juice of the capacity thanks to rapid charge. And that's pretty much it. This is the ThinkPad X1 Carbon, the latest generation, and you can just open it up to 180 degrees, completely flat, if you want to show what's on the screen to anyone. It's very slim, very light, and just like many of the ThinkPads, this also went through 12 different military-grade testing and 200 different additional extra testing on the ruggedness. The new X1 Carbon starts at $1519 US. Of course, if you upgrade your specs, like the IR camera or the QHD display or touchscreen, the prices are gonna get higher. If you have any questions, please leave them down in the comments. You can always meet us on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and Google+. We'll see you guys later. Ciao.